Welcome back to my channel. This is what we are making today, our own makeup setting spray. This is all natural, good for every skin types. I want to welcome our new subscribers. Thank you. Welcome to the family, and to all our subscribers, thanks for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and don't forget to visit our online store. And this is it right here, spray. This is our soap. We just launched our own soap, shea butter soap. Holidays is here, birthdays, baby shower, bridal shower. We have everything for it. Everything is available wholesale or retail. This is our candle wax melt. Teachers, co-workers, holiday party is here. And if you or you know somebody that have stored that want to carry our products, I will leave the link on information box. You can just give us shoot us email, and I will get back to you. And these are more of our products: rose petal face oil, beard balms. For our men, we have beard oil. Everything is available on wholesale and retail. Lip balm. So if you want to start to make yours, let's get started. I'm going to use rose lavender rose oil, water. These are water, no oil. And vegetable glycerin. These are the powerhouse ingredients. And distilled water is the best bet, because some of the tap water we really spoil everything. Spend 99 cents for that. Aloe vera is going to be, that one is a super powerful. And our essential oil, I'm going to use lavender and frankincense. But if you have acne prone skin, I maybe suggest that you add tea tree oil. You don't need to use three, one is enough. But I love lavender and I love frankincense. And you're going to need a container to put your products. I'm going to make a small bottle because I have one already. We are not adding alcohol. I'm just showing that before you started making anything, make sure you clean your working area with alcohol. Do not add alcohol to your products. I'm going to start by adding rose water into the container that we're going to use. Every container that you're going to use, make sure you wipe off everything. And I'm going to add lavender also into our ingredients. I'm using 2 tablespoons of each rose and lavender. If you're making bigger bottle, adjust accordingly. And the glycerin is half of a teaspoon that I'm going to make. And I'm going to add distilled water, and also I'm going to add extra rose water that I make, distilled rose water that I made by myself. And also I'm going to add the rose water with color too. I didn't add any color. This is natural rose water that I make by myself from rose petals. And after that, I'm going to add lavender. A drop is enough of each, because this is a small container that I'm making. It's about, I think this is a half 1 ounce, like a 0.05. You can use funnel like that, or use a big funnel. But I'm going to see how I will be able to put it in a bottle with my steady hand, right? Let's see. Yeah. Oh, no, everything's on the floor. So you can use the funnel like that, like the one I showed. And I'm going to add a lavender, dry lavender. So you can see this is all natural that we are making. And after that, you just cap it off and you are ready. These are the lavender bud that I use. You can get this at Amazon or any store that sell dry flowers. And this is it. We are done. After you can even spray before you start your makeup, and pat it dry. Do not rub it. You just pat it dry before you start with your before you apply your makeup. That will even help. And please visit our online store. I will put the link on information box. If you want wholesale, you want to retail, it's available. If you or you know somebody that have boutique of the app shop, that they want to carry our products, they are welcome. And these are the more of our product: bath salts, body butter. This is a creamy body butter. We have a body oil, or we have a lot of scents. This is black soap, creamy whipped black soap, solid lotion. Everything is available. So I will put a link on the information box where you can tell us. And yeah, this is it. You just spray, you sprayed it, and you're ready to go. I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I will see you guys on the next video.